And no marvel, for Satan himself is transformed into an angel of light. Celebrities can seem nice, they're funny. Maybe they give to charity, maybe they sign an autograph and take a selfie. Maybe they have a cat, maybe they have a pet cat and they really love that animal. Because there's a lot of things that Satanic, Luciferian, Freemasons, blah 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 more do. They're not all pitchforks and devils, you know. David Bowie loves Aleister Crowley. Morrissey, he says he's forgiven Jesus. He forgives Jesus, he says. Vincent Price promoted a lot of horror. I don't recall too much Jesus Christ. Anthony Hopkins, famous for being Hannibal Lecter, a serial killer and cannibal. Gordon Ramsay, Hell's Kitchen. Iggy Pop. What do you have to say about Iggy Pop? Oh, space, outer space, space travel, that big lie? But he's got a kitten. Walking Dead, zombies, but he's got a kitten. God bless you, everyone.